Okay, hello guys. This is Shanty Kabeer Shanties, and I know a lot of y'all like are surprised. Gabadan is wearing hijab. Yes, I'm a Muslim. At the end of the day, at the end of the night, I am a Muslim, and waxaan rabaa inaan idin sheego nimanka Soomaaliyeed in qashinka igu soo qoraysin or whatever igu soo qoraysin inaa Ilaahi ka baqtin, because you are not supposed to abuse the other person, okay? Haddaa arkaysid aniga waxaan sheegayo mise waxaan gadayo is none of, it doesn't concern you or much jeclid, please get a life, cause aniga nimanka Soomaaliyeed waan ka daale guska gacanta ku hayaan. It's really bad that you guys are so horny to that extent. I am here fully dressed, covered, but you will see niman I aynan shaqo ma lihidin miya. Like, you guys don't have anything to do except cyberbullying. Is that the best thing you guys can do? Aniga horta, I have a tough skin, okay? Qofka naya maha waxaan, everything is gonna say. I have a very tough skin. Aniga dadkayga hadlan, wallahi o billahi tallahi, I do not get upset. It's just that, it gets really old that you even don't want to listen to the bullshit people say, and I do not even read what you guys write. That's the problem. Ma akhriyo. And I know a lot of you Orlando's from Somalia do not know how to speak English, so it's a little problem somewhere. But big ups to all of the Jewish people that do not associate with Orlando's. How about that? Anyways, I am so happy that I launched my Mate liquid lipstick. It's Shanty Kabeer. It's waterproof, it's kiss proof, it's only $15 and it's available. Please ladies, that's what I'm saying, nimanka meshan kabaha. There's no shaking a booty here, you understand? Like, I'm about making money right now, okay? Yeah, I mean, I'll always dance. I mean, that's who I am. But right now, I just wanted to talk to Gabdaha so they can be able to purchase the Shanty liquid lipstick, Mate liquid lipstick. They come in 5 shades. So we have the purple, the red, the pink, the brown, and the nude color, and all of them have my family names, you understand? Like, the pink is called the pink color is called Asli, the purple is called Hanan, the red is Ibtisam, of course, that's our last born. The nude color is Issid, my big sister. The brown color is my mom. You feel me? So that's so amazing. Like, the shades come in my family member's name, and I am so happy. So Gabdaha ila Hiriri, please, girls, hit me up. I have a good discount. I ship all over the world. It's really beautiful. As you can see, this is the pink one. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the pink one. Yeah. So nimanka Soomaaliyeed maanta ban idin fariste. You understand? Somali is a little bit fucked up. I'm a very talkative person. People that know me from Africa, they know that I'm very talkative and